Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to find story drafts on Instagram. Right here, I'm currently inside my Instagram account. Actually, this is going to be my practice Instagram account. So what I'm going to do is, of course, post a story first. Let me just capture that one. And basically for this one, I'm going to post it as it is. Click on your story right there, and there we have it. Now, how can we access this one moving forward for a draft? I'm going to do it once again. Click on that one right now. Add some text just for effects right there. Let's go for ha ha ha. And basically, I'm going to click on the X button in the top left corner. And basically for this one, I'm going to save as a draft. Now, since my story has been saved to draft, how can I access it? Just open up your story option. Click on this one, the gallery option, the top lower left corner. And basically for this one, you can see right there are templates, drafts, and music. Go for the one that says drafts, and there we have it. It has a 1 week expiration though, so simply choose one, and you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.